Hey everyone, Danny here, Red Sand Adventures. Thanks for following along. So I'm going to try sleeping in the back of the truck tonight. This will be the first test. Just doing it in the yard. I haven't slept in here yet, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's not too cold tonight. I think it's supposed to go down to like +6 or something, so shouldn't need any heat. I don't have a heater in here, but I do have my stove. If I need a bit of heat, I could light that for a minute. We'll see how it goes, but I don't think I'll need to. Got a couple little projects I tackle while I'm in here. Kill some time at that. Maybe watch a couple videos. Yeah, and then see if we can get to sleep. So stay tuned. Okay, so first thing I want to do, put a couple of USB chargers for my phone and my headphones. So I do have 2 USB ports on my control panel over here, so I'm going to plug those in because I'll have to charge that stuff later. Get those hooked up. Another thing that'll be nice for this tonight too, just to run some stuff to see how the battery holds up. My phone's charging. Leave that one for the phone. Got this little tiny like pop can 12-volt fridge. It's kicking around, so I thought I'd plug it in. Nothing special, but I got some chocolate milk there, so I'll throw that in there, but it's more just to draw the power for the night, see how it goes. So plug that in. Let that run for the night. That lit up. See the light on there. So yeah, we'll let that run. Not really organized for this. I just kind of put a bunch of stuff in here. But alright, we'll get through it. Put that down on the floor. That's that. What else did I want to do? Got this paper towel holder. I don't think where I want to mount that, but not really sure. Maybe way up here. Not sure where we're going to mount that. Somewhere. What else? Screws and stuff there. My voltage gauge is down to 9.75 there now. That's charging my headphones. The little mini fridge is running and one light is on. We'll see what that does. Just kind of keep an eye on it. Turn these over this way. I think I'll set the stove up here on the counter just to have. Actually, I don't need a big stove. And something else I have too. This little clip-on LED reading light, but figured that'd be handy to just clip somewhere. Under, I do have the MSR pocket stove, I think it's called, pocket rocket stove. I wonder if that would, I think I did a video on this before quite a while ago, but I wonder if that would give me enough heat to warm it up in here. Maybe we'll try that later. I have a lighter right here. Lighter. Maybe I'll set the stove up here anyway. That's another just little camp light. It runs off batteries, but pretty handy. You can dim it too. So. Hanger for my keys, actually. Right there. Perfect. The stove out. I do kind of have a plan for this. I think I'm going to make it more permanent so it sits here, I think. I'm thinking that's where I'm going to put it. It's pretty good here. Yeah, just a normal little 2-burner stove. And I was also thinking on maybe getting one of the single burners that runs off butane, but not really sure yet. I don't know if I'd need 2 or just a single one. Nice having 2. Alright. I'll leave that out here. I do have propane if we need it. Adapter. So definitely use that if we need some heat, but I'm curious just to try that little mini pocket stove. Yeah, so I'm just going to tackle a couple of projects here and keep rolling along. I'm going to put this up here somewhere. I think that's out of the way enough. Should work. Got a little hanger here. I think I'm gonna put maybe just below it. Maybe good for hanging my hat, my keys on, maybe. I think so. That works. Okay, so we got them few little projects all done that I was wanting to do. Filled a bit of time for me. Not cold yet, so don't think I'm going to need any heat, but I don't know, we'll see when I'm sleeping. If I wake up cold, then I might try something. If I do, I'll get it recorded, but I don't think I'm going to need it. Yeah, I think I'm just going to throw a video on the laptop there and call it a night, and we'll see you in the morning. Hopefully everything goes well. Okay, so I've been in here for, I don't know, a little while now. Just been watching some YouTube videos and stuff. It is a little chilly in here. My nose is cold. The rest of me is not bad, but I checked the temperature. It is 10 degrees out, so yeah, it's not like freezing or anything, but a little chill. So I just thought I might turn on the MSR stove, little pocket rocket, just to see. I'm just curious to see if that actually heats this little space or not. Take the chill off, so we're gonna give that a try. Okay, so we got the stove put together. We'll fire it up, see if it gives us any heat in here. I do have a window open, so first thing I noticed right away, quite a bit of heat going right up to the roof. That flame shooting, so if I set it down on the floor, maybe we'll see. Definitely is getting warmer in here already, actually, surprisingly. But I don't think I like all that heat going straight up to the roof like that. I'll set it down on the floor. See what that does. Yeah, had it on the floor here for like, I don't know, 60 seconds or so. I turned it up a little bit, but it's getting warm in here already. But yeah, I don't really like that flame shooting up like that, so I think we'll shut it off. Anyway, that was kind of fun. Just curious to see if it would heat it up. So yeah, it doesn't take much. Like I say, I have my 2-burner stove too. I could fire up if I had to, but I think I'll be fine without it. I plan on getting a diesel heater eventually, and that should be great. Alright. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit the hay now. See you in the morning. Yes, I made it through the night. Morning, everyone. So as you can tell, we made it through the night. First time sleeping in the back of the truck. All in all, it went pretty well. It was a little chilly, but nothing couldn't handle. I think it got down to like +6. Definitely worth testing your stuff before you go anywhere, like everyone says. Definitely agree. Like I said, I just did it in my yard, and I might even do it a couple more times before I actually head out in this setup. But like I learned, I'm not happy with the mattress at all. Not very comfortable, so I do something there. What else did I notice? Did try a couple propane sources. I tried my MSR Pocket Rocket stove and my dual burner Coleman stove just for a bit of heat. It heated it really fast, both of them, like 1 or 2 minutes. But I didn't like hooking the tanks up because you get that little burst of propane squirting out, and then you could smell it in the vehicle for a while. So then I had to open the windows and doors and air it out. And yeah, just that's not for me. I don't know what the buddy heaters are like, but yeah. Anyway, my plan is a diesel heater anyway, but I just thought I'd try it. What else did we try? Battery power. So on my voltage gauge, when I started last night, it was at 10.4 volts, I believe, and I'm looking at it here now, and it's at 9.2. So I had didn't really use much. The lights for a little bit. The little mini fridge, which is still running. Set of headphones plugged in my cell phone. But yeah, so pretty happy with that. Didn't take much draw, so that's good. What else? Oh, the other thing, I should have leveled the truck a bit better. So it is sitting pretty level, but it is actually still off just a little bit, and it's not much, but you definitely notice it when you're sleeping. I ended up just switching ends on the bed, putting my pillows at the other end, but anyway, so that's something definitely do. But yeah, all in all, I think things went well. Yeah, definitely be changing a couple things and testing again. So anyway, we're gonna end it there. Hope you enjoyed the video, and appreciate if you'd like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.